आउनुहोस् आजको भिडियोमा साथीसँग बोल्न सिकौं. Let's learn how to talk to a friend in this video. Are you ready? तयार हुनुहुन्छ? सुरु गरौं. Let's begin. को बोल्दैछ? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? फोन उठाउँदा कुनै नचिनेको नम्बरबाट आयो भने कल तपाई को बोलिरहेको भन्नुहुन्छ नि त्यही नै हो यो. Who is speaking? म तिम्रो साथी रीमा हुँ. I am your friend Rima. I am your friend Rima. तिमी आजकल केमा व्यस्त छौ? What are you doing nowadays? What are you doing nowadays? Nowadays भनेको आजकल. What are you doing nowadays? आजकल म पढाइमा व्यस्त छु. Nowadays I am busy studying. Nowadays I am busy studying. Busy भनेको व्यस्त. Nowadays I am busy studying. अनि घरमा सबैलाई सन्चै छ? And how is everyone at home? And how is everyone at home? घरमा सबैलाई सन्चै छ. Well, everyone at home is fine. Well, everyone at home is fine. के तपाईले यसलाई दोहोर्याउन सक्नुहुन्छ? Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? फोनमा बोल्दा कहिलेकाहीँ अर्को मान्छेले भनेको कुरा अलि मजाले बुझिन्न. त्यही बेला यसरी भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Could you please repeat that? अझ यस्तो पनि भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. मैले तिम्रो कुरा बुझिन. I didn't get you अथवा I didn't understand you. I didn't get you. I didn't understand you. भइहाल्छ नि म गर्दिन्छु. Sure, I'll do that. Sure, I'll do that. अब अलिक पछि कल गर भन्न. Please call me later. मलाई पछि कल गर ल. Please call me later. अहिले म व्यस्त छु. Right now I am busy. Right now I am busy. व्यस्त, busy. Right now I am busy. के म तिमीलाई पछि फोन गर्न सक्छु? Can I call you later? Can I call you later? तिमीलाई मेरो नम्बर कसले दियो? Who gave you my number? Who gave you my number? तिम्रा आमा बुवाले मलाई तिम्रो नम्बर दिनुभयो. Your parents gave me your number. Your parents gave me your number. यति लामो समयपछि तिमीसँग कुरा गर्न पाउँदा मलाई खुशी लागेको छ. Nice to talk to you after so long. Nice to talk to you after so long. मलाई पनि. Me too. Me too. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो English Guru YouTube channel, तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ. यो च्यानल र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लास YouTube च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनु होला र दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टी पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. यस्तै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिल्यै नछुटाउनका लागि. तिमी अहिले के गर्दै छौ? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? म अहिले घर जाँदै छु. I am going home now. I am going home now. घर पुगेपछि मलाई फोन गर. Call me after getting home. Call me after getting home. अवश्य पनि. Of course. Of course. तिम्रो फोन सधैँ व्यस्त हुन्छ. Your phone is always busy. Your phone is always busy. Busy, व्यस्त. Your phone is always busy. हो, मेरो काम नै त्यस्तै छ. Yes, that's my job. Yes, that's my job. मैले धेरै मानिसहरूसँग हरेक दिन कुरा गर्नु पर्नेछ अथवा हुन्छ. I have to talk to a lot of people every day. I have to talk to a lot of people every day. Every day भनेको हरेक दिन. I have to talk to a lot of people every day. मलाई गलत नसम्झ अथवा नठान. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. कल गरेकोमा धन्यवाद. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. मलाई धेरै दिनदेखि अथवा मलाई धेरै समयदेखि तिमीसँग कुरा गर्न मन थियो. I've been wanting to talk to you for a long time. I've been wanting to talk to you for a long time. आज त्यो इच्छा पनि पूरा भयो. Today that wish has also been fulfilled. Today that wish has also been fulfilled. Fulfilled भनेको पूरा भएको. Today that wish has also been fulfilled. मलाई पनि तिमीसँग बोल्न मन थियो. I also wanted to talk to you. I also wanted to talk to you. कतै भेटौँ न. Let's meet somewhere. Let's meet somewhere. मेरो सधैँ फुर्सद हुँदैन. I don't always have time. I don't always have time. अब कुनै दिन मिलाउनको लागि अर्को शनिबार भेटौँ न त. Let's meet next Saturday. Let's meet next Saturday. त्यसो भए शनिबार नै भेटौँला. See you on Saturday then. See you on Saturday then. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नछुटाउनुहोला. Be sure to like and share this video. तिमीलाई हाम्रो पुरानो साथीले भेट्न खोजेको छ. Our old friend is trying to meet you. Our old friend is trying to meet you. के मैले उसलाई चिन्छु? Do I know him? Do I know him? तिमीले उसलाई राम्ररी चिन्छौ. You know him well. You know him well. मलाई उसको नाम भन त. Tell me his name. Tell me his name. उसको नाम रमेश हो. His name is Ramesh. His name is Ramesh. रमेश, म उसलाई राम्ररी चिन्छु. हामी झगडा गर्ने गर्थ्यौं. Ramesh, I know him very well. We used to fight. Ramesh, I know him very well. We used to fight. म शनिबार रमेशलाई लिएर आउँछु. ठीक छ? I will bring Ramesh on Saturday. Is it okay? I will bring Ramesh on Saturday. Is it okay? म तिमीहरू दुवैलाई भेट्न आतुर छु. Yes, I am looking forward to meeting you too. Yes, I am looking forward to meeting you too. ठीक छ, छिटै भेटौँला. Okay, see you soon. Okay, see you soon. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have a beautiful day.